Welcome, my dear students. This is second part of our sense organs.
Hello, my dear students. Welcome again. In previous chapter, we have learned about eyes. Okay, in sense organs. I have told you that we have five sense organs. Which five? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. Okay. So, in this video, we are going to learn about ears. Ears. Okay. Everyone have ears. So, this is ears. Ears are sense of hearing. Okay, when we listen any sound means our ear help us to hear. Okay, means this is a human, it have ears. This is ears. Okay, so this part which we can see, it is outer ear. Okay, and in this outer ear, after that there is again a inner ear in which a eardrum is here, and this eardrum and some nerve cell are connected to brain. Okay, this brain, as I have told you that our eyes can see any object, but these eye are connected to the brain with some nerve cell. As it is, ears, inner ear also connected with brain with nerve cells. So this is outer ear and this is inner ear. So the part of ear which we can see on the face, this is outer ear. Okay, so when any sound in our surrounding, there are so many type of sound. If someone is calling us, someone is asking something, or even if we are listening some music, song, video, whatever, so sound from surrounding is striking on the outer ear. Okay, and this sound catches by surrounding is sent to inner ear. This inner ear, after our nerve cell send message to the brain, that type of voice is coming. So our mind can conclude that this sound is this type. Okay, if we are hearing some sound from outside, so we can understand that this is sound of our brother, mother, father. How? Because sound catches by our ear is recognized by our brain. Which type of sound is this? So only good quality sound. Okay, means some sound such as soft music, song, soft music. So some sound, some type of sound is good for our ears. But if you goes to the market, and rush sound in the market is not liked by our ear. Okay, because there is a so traffic sound also. Okay, that type of sound is not good for our ears. Now this is work of our ears. Our outer ear catches sound from our surrounding, it will send message to the brain, and brain can recognize what type of sound is coming. Okay, so without ear we cannot hear anything. Okay, now this is a precious organ given by nature. Okay, this mother nature gives us this enormous and priceless organs, so we must care of the ears. Okay, first, never insert any pointed object into your ears, it damages the eardrum. If you know, if there is itching inside your ears, some students can take a pin, okay, or safety pin, or they can enter a pencil pen also, so it will damage your this eardrum because it is a soft part, inner part is very soft. Okay, so never insert any pointed object into your ears because it will damage our eardrum. So we must care about our ear. And second, clean your outer ear with a clean towel. Whenever we are bathing, cleaning our body, so we must have a clean towel so we can clean our ears. Okay, dear students, so in this way our ear is working. Everyone have ears. I too. You may also. Not may. You must have ears. Everyone have ears. Okay. Note it down. Now, my dear students, in sense organ, third sense organ is our nose. Okay. So everyone has nose. Yeah. Every human beings, even all living organisms have nose. Okay. So our nose help us to smell things. We can smell, okay, with the help of nose. So everyone have nose. This is nose, and this nose is connected to the nerve cells, and nerve cells send message to our brain. Okay. If we have from our surrounding the smell of, maybe smell of perfume, rose, whatever, so smell of anything is catches by our nose, and after nose nerve cells send message to the brain, this type of smell is coming. So our brain leads us, or our brain conclude that this is the type of smell. If your eyes are closed and only a cup of any fragrant juice, or we can say a cup of tea, is taken near to your nose, so without open your nose we can say that this is tea. How? Because our nose send message to the brain that type of smell is coming, and our brain conclude that this smell is of only tea or coffee. Okay. So there are two type of smell. One is pleasant, one is unpleasant. If smell of perfume, rose, okay, room spray, handkerchief spray, that type of smell is pleasant for us. We feel happy, we can enjoy it. But unpleasant smell like foul smell of garbage, rotten smell of something, vegetables or whatever, so this unpleasant smell is not good for us. But pleasant smell, we can enjoy it. Okay. So the working, this is our nose, you know very well. So working of nose is, nose send message to the nerves, and nerve cells send message to the brain, and brain after all conclude that this smell is like that. Now this is also a precious and priceless organ nature, mother nature gave us. So we must care of the nose. Do not poke your nose with any sharp object. Do not poke any sharp object in the nose, because it will damage soft corner of the nose. Okay. So you must care of the nose. Do not poke your nose with any sharp object. Okay. Sharp or pointed object. No need to poke anything in the nose, because do not use a dirty handkerchief to blow your nose. And when in winter time or any time, if we want to clean our nose, then we must use a clean towel or clean handkerchief. Do not use a dirty handkerchief, because it will infect our nose. There are so many type of bacteria in our surrounding. Okay. So use only clean handkerchief for blowing your nose. Okay.
Okay.
Now, my dear students, after ear and nose, we have fourth sense organ. This is tongue. Okay, which is sense of taste. Everyone has tongue. Okay. So when any type of food we are eating, so it will touches our tongue. So our tongue send message to the brain through nerve cell, and it will conclude that which type of taste it have. If you are eating sweets, then our tongue send message to the brain, and brain says that it is sweet. But if you are having medicine which is not sweet, so bitter. Okay. So when you are taking your medicine, your tongue touches the medicine, and brain send message after receiving that it is bitter. So in this way our tongue works. Okay. Anything touches our tongue, then message sent through nerves to the brain, and brain conclude that which type of taste it have. So our tongue have many different type of taste buds on the surface. Okay, means this is our tongue, so it have different type of taste buds on the surface. Okay, sweet, salty, sour, bitter. Okay, in this way there are four kind of taste buds on our tongue. First, sweet, sour, salty and bitter. Sweet, sour, salty and bitter. Okay, so this is a special organ, because every time from morning to evening, night also, we are eating so many type of things. We are drinking anything, milk, tea, we are eating foods, we are taking breakfast, even we are eating fruits, vegetables. So all things taste are taken by our tongue. Because of this four kind of buds, taste buds are sweet, sour, salty and bitter. Okay, but it is also a precious organ, so we must care of the tongue. First, clean your tongue every morning with a tongue cleaner. Every morning we are, after arising, after wake up, we must brush our teeth, and after that we have a tongue cleaner, so that our tongue can be clean, because in whole night there may be so many bacteria increase on our tongue. So at early morning when we wake up, we must clean our tongue with a tongue cleaner. Okay, now second, don't eat very hot things. Hot tea or hot bread, many hot things. So don't eat very hot things, because it may burn our taste buds. Okay, because our surface of the tongue is very soft and it has that four type of taste bud, so it may burn when we are taking hot things into our mouth. My dear students, this is our fourth sense organ. You must note it down. Now